Hey everybody, welcome back to Cammie's Garage. We're now in the future. It is 2020. This is my first video of 2020. One thing I've decided to do for the new year is make all my videos 1080p from now on. I got a new computer and more storage space, and the reason why I was using 720 before is because simply logistical reasons. I didn't have enough hard drive space on my old computer. Now I have lots, so higher quality videos from now on. Today I'm going to show you how I make this. First, I'll give you a little explanation about how this idea came about. Because it's 2020, I had 20 on my mind, and I thought about a 20-sided polyhedron. I was thinking about making this type of shape with multiple rings. So basically, 20 rings with 20 segments each, and these are actually 20 centimeters in diameter. So that's where the 20 theme came from. But then I thought, why am I starting with the most complex one? Why don't I start with a simpler one? So that's how this form came about. But enough talking, let me show you how I made it. Good enough.